Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to create a profit and loss account through pivot table in Microsoft Excel. In our first video, we created this journal. In our second video, we generated the report of trial balance through pivot table. In our third video, we will generate the profit and loss account through pivot table. Let's see how can we create profit and loss account. First, understand this. We created some drop down list in journal video. This is a chart of account and this is a account type and this is a account group and this is a PLN and BS. All the list, we get this list from this sheet. This is a chart of accounts, this is a account type, and this is a PLN and BS type, and this is a accounts group. In account type, there are 6 categories: assets, capital, cost of goods sold, expense, liability, and revenue. In accounts, there are all the chart of accounts. Now we will create a pivot table. Just go to the insert and click pivot table. I want a new worksheet, just click OK. This is a pivot table sheet. Now drag the account type into the rows. It will display all the account type here. And now drag the accounts into the rows. It will display all the chart of accounts you can see here. But in profit and loss account, we will have cost of goods sold, revenue, and expense. To remove assets, capital, and liability, we use the filter. Just PNL and BS field, just drag into the filter and select the here filter PNL and click OK. It will display profit and loss account. Now drag the revenue to the top. And I want a sum formatting here. For formatting, just move into the design and select the report layout, show in tabular form. And I want a blank line in all the item. Just click here, insert blank line after each item. And I also want a balance column into the sum values. It will display the values of each item. And I don't want a grand total here. Just move into the grand total and off for rows and columns. Now here is a revenue, total revenue, and here is a total cost of goods sold. And I want another field, gross profit. Just go to the analyze and here is a calculation field. Just click here and here is a option calculated item. Just click here. Now type here gross profit. In formula, just I subtract the revenue from cost of goods sold. Just double click here revenue and this is a minus sign, and we will, if I type here minus, it will minus, it will be plus, but I will type here plus sign for subtracting revenue from cost of goods sold, and click add and click OK. This is a gross profit. Just click here and drag this gross profit here. Revenue are 95,000, cost of goods sold are minus 60,000. Now the gross profit are 35,000. Now I want a net profit also. Just go to the again, click calculated item and type here net profit. We will get net profit for subtracting gross profit from expenses. Just double click here gross profit and this is expenses is also in minus sign. If I type here minus, minus minus will be plus. Now type here plus sign for subtracting and double click expenses and add here and click OK. It will generate the net profit. If we subtracting gross profit to the expense, now we will get net profit. Now just select all the revenue and fill the color. This is a cost of goods sold and fill the color. This is expense. This is a gross profit and highlight this gross profit. And just select top and double bottom border. This is a net profit, highlight this also. This is a profit and loss account through pivot table. Now this is a working or not, just go to the journal and increase the expense of salary. This is a 5,000. I just type here 10,000 instead of 5,000. Now move into the profit and loss account. Now in this sheet there is no updation. For updation, just go to the analyze and click the refresh button. It will update, and now the net profit are 5,000 because expense are increasing. Now move into the journal and type the previous value 5,000. Now go to the profit and loss account and refresh this pivot table. Just right click here and refresh. Now the profit are this pivot table is working, and now you can create this profit and loss account through pivot table. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.